essence of the view for the foundational vehicle is what we call impermanent. So normally in our life there's a lot of problems, suffering. Suffering is the mainly start from dissatisfaction. There's always feeling of something is missing, incomplete. So how to free that? We have to really know the nature of the phenomena. So according to the foundational vehicle, the nature of phenomena is impermanent. It's always changing, impermanent. What we believe is solid, permanent, narrow, black and white. And these are the causes of suffering, right? For example, when I was young, when I see my panic is changing, and it's very interesting, panic is changing, and there's a lot of these different pieces connect together, then the panic comes. So if in between these pieces, there's a lot of space, there's a lot of movement, normally we don't know it. So in our life, we are too tight on our relationship. Then relation become worse. So if we become too tight, then become a lot of problem. So therefore, once you know the nature of this is changing and a lot of peace together is interdependent, then your mind become more open. Your mind not fixed, not frozen. And you see the reality become more clear. And there's no like me, which is very sensitive, which is really delicate, easy to cry, easy to blow. Maybe from outside, I'm okay, but inside you're crying. No. So that one begin to dissolve when you understand impermanent. So that's really benefit for me, and this is the view of the basic vehicle. So I hope it will benefit for you too.